What's going on, everyone? I hope you had a great week. Today I'm going to be building Ash from Pokemon. I've got 6 hours or less, no brick limit, and of course, no instructions. Before we begin, let's do a quick sketch. I'll build Ash in a standing position, holding a Pokeball. There's quite a few details here that I'll have to be sure to get right. I'll put 6 hours on the clock, and let's get building. All right, I'm done with this one. I really wanted to do a Pikachu, so I definitely went over the time limit. Oops. I really like how Ash came out. The build was going so well until I got to the head. I had a lot of trouble with the eyes. And because they're in the middle of the face, it's really hard to go back if you make a mistake on them. My favorite part about this one is the hat. I just think it looks cool. I ended up finishing his part in about 5.5 hours. So technically I finished under the time limit, but I had to include Pikachu to go with him. He's kind of tricky because he's got such small legs that really the only option of building him is sitting down. So how do you think Ash and Pikachu came out? Any other Pokemon I should build? Let me know with a comment down below. Like and subscribe for more, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.